So I've had this Oura Ring 4 for about 6 months now, and I want to hate it. I really want to hate it, and I kind of do. I kind of don't love it. I kind of don't love that it's thick. I kind of don't love that I have to charge it. I kind of don't love that I have to wear it on my middle finger and I can't just use it as my wedding band. I want to hate it, but man, the data I get from it's pretty cool. And then today, I just got this package in the mail. And if you followed me for a while, if you subscribe to my channel, you know this is not my house. I'm currently at Kindling Falls in North Carolina. This is the most viral Airbnb, and I'm on a family vacation. But when this was announced, I had to order it. I had to spend the $500 and order it to see if it's worth spending the money. So this is gonna be a brutally honest review, unboxing, setup, and review of the Oura 5, because the data we're getting is apparently not a ton of new data. It's not a crazy amount of new. So if you have an Oura Ring 3 or 4, the only real big difference is this is supposed to be smaller. So let's open this thing up and set it up. So, all right. Here it is. That's upside down. Here it is, the Oura Ring 5. Now, my current Oura Ring 4, I ordered a size 13 because I tried on the 10, which is what my ring finger is, my wedding band, and it was just really big. I knew it was something I wouldn't wear on a regular basis. It was big, thick, uncomfortable. I couldn't really close my fingers. Even on this one, like, it's just big, it's thick. So what caught my attention is my friend Shervin Shares posted a quick reel on this. He got his hands on one a little bit soon, a little early, and it was just substantially smaller. So we're gonna really test that out. I ordered a size 10 for my wedding band finger, and I ordered the deep rose, which is kind of like a copper color. My wife has this one, and it's more copper. I'm wearing a copper wedding band on this finger, so I like that color. Here we go, let's go ahead and open it up. The box is nice though. I could tell if I was a retailer, like it has this really nice like fabric ring. Like I could see these just hanging up in a retailer. That's nice. Rip off both these sides here. Slide it out. There we go. Ooh, the top pops open like that. That is really small. That is really pretty. Couple things to note. I don't think it's that big of a deal if you're buying an Oura Ring for yourself, but each charger is specific to that ring. I mean, obviously if you have the Oura Ring 5 size 10, the chargers will all work, but like if you have an Oura Ring 5 type size 11 or size 7, they will not work. All of the chargers fit the ring specifically, and the Oura Ring 4 will not fit the Oura Ring 5. I guess the sensors are all a little bit different, but dude, that is so small. You can't tell. This is the hard thing. This is the really hard thing about a video review. Like, this is the 10 and the 13, like literally fits almost inside it. Obviously a 10 and a 13 are gonna be very different in size, but look at the thickness. What? That's freaking so cool. I love the color of it too. All right, I'm gonna try it on. I'm gonna put mine on currently. I'm gonna try this on. Please work, please fit. Please fit. If it doesn't fit, that's gonna suck. So my biggest fear is not trying this on at a store and just ordering it cold turkey. Oh my God, it fits. It freaking fits, and it fits amazing. Are you kidding me? I freaking love it already. I haven't even turned it on. It fits amazing, and it feels like an actual ring. Dude, what's crazy is like my actual wedding band costs like $200, and we bought like a really nice one. This was $500, I think, $450, whatever it is. But it's gonna give me some data, right? So that's kind of cool. So there's a big difference there, kind of showing you a difference. Ring finger, middle finger, so crazy in difference. Like, put it on the same finger just so you can kind of see, like, that's worth it right there. If you're gonna buy an Oura Ring, do not buy the Oura Ring 4, buy the Oura Ring 5. Wait for it, spend a little extra money. The size itself, and apparently it gets longer battery life, over a week. We're gonna test that out too. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll post some more updated reviews and more updated information on it as I'm wearing it. Let's set it up now. Inside the box comes with the typical, usual USB-C cord, and then obviously the Oura Ring charger. Something that's nice that you may not know, I didn't know this, is on the back side of the charger, right here, it tells you the size. So if you're ever confused, if you have a couple of these or a couple of different ones, it'll tell you the size. Unfortunately, it doesn't tell you the actual Ring model. I think I have to plug it in. I don't remember the rules on this. I think I have to actually like plug it in to like get it turned on. So I'm gonna go grab a charger for that real quick. So I've got the charger hooked up to the cord. And for this video purposes, I'm gonna use my charging brick. Plug that in so I don't have to move. All right, so you'll have a little white light pop up on the charging base. That lets you know that you have power. And then this is not magnetic, so just just know it's not magnetic. You will want to line up this little notch. It's actually like not much of a notch anymore. It's more of a notch on the old one. It's more of just like a raised change of texture. You're gonna line that up with the line there. Boop. I guess it is, no, it's not magnetic at all. So then you'll have that white light and then it'll start flashing blue. It's flashing blue right now. Now I'm gonna hold this in my hand, open up the old trusty Oura app, which I currently have an Oura Ring on. And we're gonna wait for it to update real quick for a second. Boom, boom. Let's see if it automatically says anything. It does not. So this is what my Oura home screen looks like. I'm gonna go to the 3 bars and hit my devices. All right, we got my devices here. Let's see, just got your new ring, Oura Ring 5 there at the top. Set it up, boom. Congrats on your new ring. Setup will take approximately 10 minutes. I'm not gonna have you guys wait the full 10 minutes, but I'm gonna do it. All right, connect your Oura Ring, connect. Select your ring, perfect, it popped up immediately. It's got my ring right there. Pairing Bluetooth pair. Maybe it'll just work quickly. Try on your ring. All right, cool. So now we're gonna try it on, even though we've already done that. The one problem is I have like fat fingers. Got it in there. Got it on my finger. It's telling me to check the signal, syncing to you. You and your ring are now in sync. All right, wave hello. Hi. All right, boom, you're all set. I'm in. Okay, that didn't take 10 minutes, that took 20 seconds. We're in, we're set up. Sick. Okay, now what I need to do is go to my devices. Oura Ring 5 is what I have on. It's sensing this ring no longer is even active or activated. So we're good to go. So we've got it. I didn't order the charging case. You can see there on the top, there is a charging case. I don't think I'll need that. Might be cool. They say that this charge lasts over a week now. So I can tell you that this one does not. This one I'm having to charge every 4 days. So I'm excited about this. I'm excited about it personally because like I've been wanting, I wish I could have just used this as my wedding band because I've been wearing this little like copper, like this tiny little copper ring, which is cool. I might still wear it. I don't know. Could wear it on like next to this one. Wonder if that would mess it up. I like copper. I'm in this copper kick right now. So might just keep that on there. Could be fun. I like that I can make a fist. It feels like I should easily be able to grab a barbell or a dumbbell or a pull-up bar. That's the problem with this one. You can even see, I keep taking this off and on, but you can kind of see maybe how it's like beat up a little bit. I don't take it off when I lift weights. I did in the very beginning because I don't know, but then I'm like, what's the point of wearing this? What's the point of tracking my sleep? I sleep on an 8 sleep, you know, and I think that's kind of the point to this that I want to make. Like, is this worth $500? I would say it depends. It depends if you are somebody who doesn't have a tracker that you already love. Like I wore the Whoop for well over a year, almost 1,000 days. Actually, I think I did a video like over 1,000 days of wearing Whoop. Yeah, it was well over a year. I wore it for a year straight and then on and off for about 2 more years. Mostly on, but sometimes I took it off. I found that I couldn't surf with it very well. Even with their hydro bands, they weren't great. I always hated Apple's trackers, like the Apple Watch, even though I have an iPhone. I've never loved Apple's tech in the ecosystem for activities, for performance, for sports, for workouts, for running. I just have never been like a massive fan. Whoop was cool, but I hated that you had to like look at your phone screen to get your stats while you're in the middle of a workout. Not ideal. So kind of didn't really love that. I started wearing Garmin, really love Garmin. I'm currently wearing the Amazfit. Really loving this. I've kind of transitioned away from Garmin completely. I think this is a great option for 400 bucks. It's kind of the other thing too, like this right here gives me everything this gives me for the most part in a very smooth and seamless app. So Amazfit's got some good stuff going on over there. They have a Ring as well. My wife has the Oura Ring, she loves it, and I kind of wanted to stay in the same ecosystem as her. And that's why I did it. You know, I would say Oura Rings are phenomenal for women. They track their cycles very well, period cycles. And for women, I would highly recommend an Oura Ring. I think it's a great tracker for women. Plus, they're already usually wearing rings. They're used to it, so it's no big deal for them. I am, however, real excited about the new one. This, I stopped wearing. I wore it for about 60 to 90 days, about 3 months, and then I took it off because I was like, I'm getting all that data from my 8 Sleep. I'm getting all my workout data from my Amazfit watch. Why do I need to wear something else? And I started feeling a little sick, which I don't usually get sick. And Stacy's like, check your stats, check your information on your Oura. I'm like, I haven't been wearing it. She's like, what? So I put it back on, and yes, I'm getting my data, some different data that I'm not really getting off this, some different insights. So I have it, so I put it on, right? And then when this came out and Sherman started talking about how small it was and how different it was gonna be as far as like size goes and function, like being able to use your hands. Like this right here, I have like a callus inside my finger. It's kind of hard for you to tell, but I can tell, like a callus inside my finger from this massive freaking ring. And then like on the other sides of my finger, because I can't like close my hand, like you can see, I think you can see, but look at that. You can see my finger, I'm squeezing as tight as I can. Like it just holds my fingers in an awkward position. So I've never loved this. Currently with this on right now, I love it. I genuinely do. So I can say right now, Oura 5, I'm a fan. I wasn't a fan of Oura 4. I don't think I made a video on it. I didn't make a video on it. This is my first Oura video. Jeez. Oura, you guys won me over with this so far. I will do some updated videos on this. I will also post some updated information on Instagram at dmossjr. If you like family content, travel content, health and wellness content, just lifestyle content, just a normal dude trying to live an optimally midlife in my midlife. Oh. Dang, I should make that like a banner. I wanted to just show you the setup real quick, give you a little quick insight on my thoughts on the Oura Ring. I will say this, I kind of started saying this, and because this is literally a video in the woods, my kids are downstairs fishing for trout. They just caught a trout. So I'm gonna go down there and hang out with them. But I will say this, like if I was a guy and I was like just getting into tracking my fitness, my sleep and everything like that, and I didn't have anything else, I think Oura would be a great place to start. Especially the new one with the longer battery life and the smaller footprint. I think it's now a good place to start for the money. If you have the means, me and my wife would both agree, the 8 Sleep mattress pod, it cools your mattress, heats your mattress, checks all of your vitals while you sleep. It's super accurate. It also has a vibration heat up alarm, so you don't have to use your annoying phone. It's insane. I'm a huge fan of 8 Sleep, and I'm not paid to say that. I do have a discount code. Don't even know if it works. Don't even know if I get paid. It would be cool if they did, but yeah, I'm a big fan of 8 Sleep. I definitely would buy that. If I was trying to optimize my life and get my sleep data, that would be the way I would go. If I just wanted a wearable, I'd probably go with the Oura 5 or a watch like the Amazfit or a Garmin, because those are giving you a lot of the information. Of those two, I would probably go Amazfit, not Garmin, because this gives you your stats like night one. So like, you know, sometimes it's like you have to sleep with your watch for at least 30 days before you get your information. That's so dumb to me. It's like gatekeeping your information. So this gives you your information like night one. And there's some stuff that you might have to wear a little bit longer, like VO2 max or HRV. Like some stuff might need a few more days, some calculations, but this has been great. This is currently winning my heart over, and 8 Sleep is definitely my favorite sleep tracker. And that is all. If you have any questions, pop them down in the comments below. This is a simple video, no B-roll, just my honest thoughts and conversation about the Oura 5. Hope you liked it. See you in the next video. Have a great day, my friends, and God bless.